What if your YouTube Shorts channel could keep working while you sleep? I found an open source project on GitHub called MoneyPrinter V2, and it claims to automate a huge part of the Shorts creation process. It can help generate videos, add narration, create subtitles, and even connect to posting workflows for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And the crazy part is, this is not a paid SaaS tool. It is open source, public on GitHub, and it has over 30,000 stars. So in this video, I wanted to see what it actually does, how it works, and whether this kind of automation is really useful for creators. First, let's look at the repository. On GitHub, you can see the project is called MoneyPrinter V2. It has a lot of attention, thousands of stars, thousands of forks, and the description says it is made to automate the process of making money online. Now, that sentence sounds very hype. So instead of believing the title, I wanted to look at the actual features. In the README, the project shows that it can work with generated shorts and posting tools. It also mentions YouTube Shorts automation, scheduled jobs, Twitter automation, affiliate marketing, and other workflows. The important part for this video is the YouTube Shorts automation. The idea is simple. Instead of manually writing a script, finding footage, generating voiceover, adding captions, exporting the video, and uploading it, the tool tries to combine those steps into one automated pipeline. That means you can start a generation task, let it run, and come back later with a finished vertical video. Now, to be clear, this does not mean you press one button and instantly become viral. Viral videos still need a good idea, a strong hook, good pacing, and a topic people actually care about. But if this tool can automate the boring production steps, it can still save a lot of time. The installation is pretty normal for a Python project. You clone the repository, enter the project folder, copy the example configuration file, create a virtual environment, activate it, install the requirements, and then run the main file. If you are not technical, this part can look scary at first, but it is basically the standard setup process for open source Python tools. One important warning: before you connect any account, API key, or posting service, always inspect the code and understand what you are running. Open source is powerful because you can look inside the project, but that does not mean you should blindly trust everything. After opening the project in VS Code, the README shows the features clearly. There is a Twitter bot with scheduled jobs, a YouTube Shorts automator with scheduling, affiliate marketing tools, and even cold outreach features. For me, the most interesting part is the scheduler, because that is where the "while you sleep" idea comes from. If a workflow can generate content and schedule posts automatically, then your content system can keep moving even when you are away from the computer. Then I ran the generation process. In the logs, you can see the tool combining video clips, preparing the audio, adding subtitles, setting the output path, and finally generating the video. And at the end, it says, "Video generation completed." That is the proof that the tool actually created an output. Here is the final result. It is a vertical video formatted for shorts, with footage and subtitles already included. Is it perfect? No. Would I upload it exactly like this to a serious channel? Probably not without improving the script, hook, and visuals. But as a base, this is impressive. Because the hardest part of content automation is not just generating something. It is building a repeatable system. And this project gives you a starting point for that system. My honest opinion is this: MoneyPrinter V2 is not a magic money machine. It is not a guaranteed viral button. And it will not replace creativity. But it can be a powerful production engine if you combine it with good prompts, a clear niche, better editing, and a real posting strategy. If you are a creator, This is the kind of tool that can help you test ideas faster. Instead of spending hours on every single short, you can automate the first draft, then spend your time improving what actually matters: the hook, the story, and the retention. So yes, an AI tool can help make shorts while you sleep. But the real question is, can you build a system smart enough to make those shorts worth watching? If you want a full step-by-step setup tutorial where I install MoneyPrinter V2 from zero and generate a short live, comment "Setup" below. And if you want more open-source AI tools that can automate content creation, subscribe, because I'm going to test more of them.